Good morning friends. So today is day 2 of the trip और अभी मैं निकला हूँ थोड़ी बीच वॉक पे, थोड़ा सनराइज़ का एंड टाइम लैप्स लेने के लिए निकला था. So rest all family members are actually sleeping in their rooms. So this is a virgin beach, more or less a virgin beach. There is nobody you can see, right? So and that's the feeling right? So तो खाना बहुत अच्छा था, टू बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने कुछ ज़्यादा ऑर्डर नहीं किए थे. तो वी ऑर्डर्ड रोटी एंड वी हैड चिकन, राइट, जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को बताया. बट द टेस्ट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर आइटम, राइट, वट एवर वी ऑर्डर्ड वॉज अमेजिंग एंड एवरीबडी एन्जॉयड. आई मीन दे डोंट गिव टू मच मसाला, इट इज़ नॉट दैट स्पाइसी, सो चिल्ड्रन कैन have that food only. That last bit of, बोलते हैं ना कि last bit of adventure चाहिए लाइफ में, ठीक है. तो we all come all the way with a very small lane and we call that the car will come all the way from that side, right? And ये आपको बीच के ऊपर से चला के आना है आके. this is their ramp, okay? So beach driving you will enjoy. So I have seen this one in Murpilangadi beach in Kerala, okay, and that's the longest driving beach in Asia. You can get at least 500 meters of driving here also. So guys, Bengal is not deprived of that, so please do come here and enjoy this, okay?
No.
So अभी बीच में थोड़ी हंगामा के बाद टाइम फॉर सो बच्चे लोग बहुत एंजॉय किए एंड आई पर्सनली लाइक्ड इट बिकॉज दिस बीच डजंट रियली हैव दैट अमाउंट ऑफ हाई वेव्स एंड ऑल. सो उतनी फिक्र नहीं रहती है, तो बच्चे लोग आराम से खेल सकते हैं इधर आके. एंड माई किड्स एक्चुअली एंजॉयड अ लॉट, I would say, which probably you guys might have seen by now, right? So abhi hot tea and then we will go to Tajpur जाके थोड़ी एक्सप्लोर करेंगे and then देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है. बाय. So we are right now going to get some adventurous rides on boat there. Small boat, so rubber boat. So चलते बोट पे मिलते हैं. बाय. done with the boat ride and it was an amazing experience. तो यहाँ पे अगर आप लोग आ रहे हो तो ये ज़रूर करना. So right now what I understand is कि ये jet ski वगैरह बंद है and what they can offer you at this point of time is the speedboat ride and bumpy ride and banana ride. Okay, so these are the three which is available right now. So यहाँ पे आके आप लोग कर सकते हो, यानी you are going to love it. Okay, so अभी जल्द फटाफट तैयार होंगे, थोड़ा चाय पियेंगे, चाय पीने के बाद ऑफ टू ताजपुर. बाय बाय. So we are right now at Shankarpur और यहाँ I mean मंदारमनी से ये है almost about 13 kilometers. So it's like the same beach running across. Okay, and one side is Mandarmani, the other side is Tajpur, Shankarpur, and then Digha. So it's just one stretch. So I see a lot of development here. So government has done a lot of things to attract the tourists and also some artificial stuffs here created. So which is good. Essentially, beautification is a key element that will attract many tourists, right, to any place, right? So there is beautification, there is discipline. So and there should be a space for yourself, right? So at this point, I don't know whether it is because of the COVID situation or not, but this place is quite empty. Okay, I'm sure in normal time, right, when we are in our normal lives without COVID and all, I'm sure this place would be, thronged with tourists from all over the place. So part of the beautification part that I spoke about, right? So government has done their own part, right, in beautifying this beach, right? I have been here when I was very young. Okay, probably I don't even remember what I used to remember, or what I remember, right, from my childhood memories is that this place right here, right, ये वाला जो पूरा stretch है, this used to be covered with trees. Part of it you can see there, right? So normally the beach trees जो रहता है वो सब यहाँ पे था. So now those are not there, and as a result, because of urbanization and all, those are gone. But yeah, government has done their part in terms of attracting tourists here. So let me take a few panoramic shots as well as few slow-mos of the waves hitting the surface of these boulders. By the way, yeah, this is not a traditional kind of a beach, right, or not a sandy beach. This is actually a boulder kind of a beach because the soil erosion is too much. So let me take few shots, okay, and then I'll come back to you. I don't know what they are up to. See, if that cow kicks these dogs, right, they will be in for a big party. Okay, I don't know whether they realize this or not. Okay, sorry. Bas. Okay, so we are done with the lunch. How was the lunch?
Excellent.
So we had pomfret meal actually, and Price was okay. So the meal costed about 300 odd rupees, and my sons had and my sister, they had chow mein, mixed chow mein and one soup. Okay. So Tajpur happens to be about 5 odd km. Actually, it fell on the way, right? So it was on the way while coming to Shankarpur. So अभी ताजपुर जाएंगे. ताजपुर में भी ऐसा ही एक बीच है, तो वहाँ पे थोड़ी टाइम स्पेंड करेंगे and then back to hotel. Okay? Catch you guys up on the roads. And before I sign off here, I want to show you one thing. How was the food?
I eat chow mein.
You ate chow mein?
Yeah.
How was the chow mein?
Tasty.
Very good.
Now,
Can you show your whistle? Whistle. One more. Whistle.
okay.
Whistle.
Okay.
So they are enjoying a lot. So with that note, signing off from Shankarpur. We'll meet you guys up ahead on Tajpur. Bye. With the stomach full of lunch, right? So it's not always a very good idea to explore such wonderful place, right? But when there is beauty in abundance, probably everything else is secondary. So presenting Tajpur to you guys. So I did have quite a bit of heavy lunch, I would say. So especially if you're having lunch, and that is also rice, right? So it's sometimes tends to make you sleepy, right? So but nonetheless, I wanted to go back to hotel, but my family wanted me to show them how Tajpur looks like. But coming here, right? After coming here, I realized that going back to hotel would perhaps not have been the ideal decision at that point of time. Anyways, I'll catch up with you guys after some time. Let me absorb myself into this beauty. Okay, so we are back at the resort. अभी एक थोड़ा power nap, and then इसी मास्टर को होता है?
আমি ছুরি ফেলবো কোথায় বলবো ওখানে কাঠিয়ে লাগিয়ে দিয়েছো তুমি চলো
So what is essentially happening right here? You guys might be thinking, what is going on with the dead fish? So they are trying to resuscitate that dead fish by throwing it off in the water. Kids will be kids. Rishi, এদিকে আসো. Rishi, এদিকে আসো, যাবে না? Wait, আমার হাত ধরো. Rishi. হ্যাঁ বাস চল হ্যান্ড পরে ওখানে বাড়ি বা বাথরুমে গিয়ে দেবো। চলে গেছে, দেখ সমুদ্র নিয়ে চলে গেল। So done with the photo sessions and all. So अभी यहाँ से we are leaving off and that's the car that we hired for this trip and it performed quite well, I would say. And for the last time, bye bye. For the last time, let's bid a goodbye to this wonderful Virgin Beach. That boat. Stay there until I come back next. Bye-bye. So guys, we had actually come to Sher Punjab Hotel in Kolaghat, okay? और अभी यहाँ पे इतनी ज़्यादा भीड़ है ना और इतनी ज़्यादा लाइन है, तो मैं सोचा कि इट्स बेटर दैट यू नो वी गो टू एक्सप्रेस फूड प्लाजा। We entered restaurant.
Yeah, I entered restaurant.
And what did you have?
I have juice.
So drop the car और अभी जा रहा हूँ घर, ठीक है? So the trip has officially ended. बाकी घर में जाके मिलता हूँ, बहुत टायर्ड हूँ। ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो होप आप लोगों को ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आया होगा। दिस वाज अ वेरी शॉर्ट ट्रिप विद फैमिली फॉर अबाउट 3 days वेयर वी स्पेंट अ वेरी गुड टाइम इन मंदारमनी, Tajpur, and we covered Shankarpur as well, right? So when I'm editing this video, I'm back at Bangalore, and today is February the 18th that I'm editing this video. I know I've been busy in kind of settling down here after a long time. So I consider this as a brighter side of lockdown, wherein you get to spend so much time with your family back at home, right? So I utilized it full, and I hope everybody who was enjoying this video have also done the same. So on that note, if you have liked the video, please do consider subscribing to the channel, and please do share the video with your friends, families and relatives. So that's it. I'll meet you guys on some other day with some other adventures, some other wonderful memories somewhere on earth. Until then, stay safe and stay at home until you are vaccinated. Please do take proper precautions. Until next time, bye bye.